Okay guys, so today I have a collaboration with a hair brand called CCBK Beauty. So I'm just gonna allow you guys to see how the box looks. And, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna open and take out and show you guys what came in this box. So they provided 3 bundles. Okay, so they provided us with 2 cards with their socials and what they sell. Alright, so the bundles that they provided is in the style island curl and they're 24 inches long. So I'm just gonna take out and allow you guys to see how one bundle looks. And on the card they just show you like the length, they give you the color and the texture. So it's natural black, 100% pure virgin Remy human hair. So the card says it's tangle free, non-shedding, can be dyed and durable. And at the back of the card they gave instructions on how to care for the hair. So let me allow you guys to see close up how the texture looks. And let me show you guys how thick the bundle is. Yeah. So this, guys, is 24 inches. And I noticed it kind of has like a kind of factory kind of smell. So I will be washing this hair and then I'm gonna just leave it to probably air dry, and then I'm gonna install this hair in the next clip for my ponytail. Okay guys, so see you in the next one. Okay, hi everyone, so we're back and I've washed my hair, so I'm gonna start off by blow drying my hair. So for each section I'm gonna be using coconut oil, and after I put this in my hair then I'm gonna blow dry it. Okay, and to blow dry my hair I'm gonna put it on the highest setting, so the highest speed and the highest heat. So when I'm ready to flat iron I'm gonna be using, I don't want to put as much heat on my hair. Okay, okay guys, so I think I'll be putting my flat iron to 300 degrees. When I think about it, I realize my hair is really healthy. Like it's grew compared to like a year ago when I straightened my hair. It grew some more, it got thicker, it looks healthier. When y'all could see when I blow dried it. So I don't really want to put that much heat on my hair. because I don't know if I might have to straighten my hair again sometime this year if I'm doing some other bundles. I'm not sure, but I really don't want to straighten my hair often, because once upon a time when I used to be straightening my hair often, my hair fell out and it was like about here, but now it's like if I stretch my hair it's like below my boobs, so it grew. The first heat I'm gonna try is 300 degrees. The thing is, I just need it to be straight enough so that it will be easier to put in a ponytail, the ponytail that I'm trying to do. So I mean, it doesn't have to be sleek straight, but we'll see what I decide. Okay, so it's time to get started with this. Okay, so I'm gonna get like a bobby pin, right, and make sure that it's folded in half and push this bobby pin through it. And I'm gonna start by putting it at the end of my hair. So it's tucked in. Make sure that it's going through the rubber band, and then I'm just gonna start wrapping. And as you go up, you're gonna take a bobby pin, make sure that it's going through. And I got this method from my chick Natural on YouTube. So you see what I'm doing? I'm pushing the pin through this side of the track, and then I'm gonna just stick it in my hair. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna get some piece at the back, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around. I'm just gonna allow you guys to see the back. This ponytail came out a lot longer and a lot thicker than I expected, but as whatever, I'm extra anyway, so I'm gonna just show you guys the back. I hope it looks good. Y'all see how long this is? Like, what the hell? Imagine that, guys. That very long ponytail was achieved with 24-inch bundles all the way past my butt. So I did not anticipate the ponytail to be that long. Like, I wasn't expecting it all the way down to my butt, and this took forever to do. I'm just gonna find a way to make this work, like not look crazy when I'm taking my pictures, because guys, it's so long. But let me just talk about this hair. So you know, all the bundles are 24 inches. When I washed the hair, I did experience some shedding, tangling. I did experience some tangling as well. As for shipping, the shipping of this hair came pretty quickly, and that's basic. And the hair is pretty soft, and yeah, the hair is pretty soft. So that's about it that I have to say for this hair. I would recommend these bundles. The texture, I love the texture and how soft it is. It's very soft. So yeah guys, so thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos guys. Toodles.
The all of them are weird. Body smoking, cigarettes, shit nice, figure it. Get them the rollerblades, tell them to skate. Styled on them Jamaican tip. All I do is sound goofy, me take your pics. Got the new pins, the color of bacon pits. Got a spot in every state, Dalmatian bitch. And it's real money, old money, real good money. Ain't do a picture that was on a billboard, honey. Kingston, Reno, Waterhouse, Jungle, Barbie, my I've known. Put me arms right around ya. Gotta give me the tightest feel me ever get in my life. Gotta dress up in warrior. I'm everything all around ya. Gotta give me the tightest feel me ever get in my life.